What's going on, everybody? Back at it again. Recently I've been trying to learn to make my own hickory board bow, um, strictly inspired by Clay Hayes, can't deny it. But I've got a video that I made, this bow. I'm working on the editing. I have finally figured out somewhat what to look for and how to go about it. I've been getting a lot of directions from a friend I've gotten to know over Facebook, Tony. He's helped me through, pointed me into a pretty good direction. And my learning curve since I've talked to him has advanced dramatically. Early in making this bow, I did heat treat the belly. I did it early in the tailoring process to save time later, maybe, to tailor correctly. But over time, I've lost a little bit. I mean, it holds it, but right now, like if I string it up and shoot it, it it holds set when I unstring it. But it's weird because if I just bend the limbs a little bit, it removes it. Um, so I'm going to heat treat the belly side again. Show you how I've learned to do it using a heat gun and um, canola oil. I got my back set form built. I got rope, just regular old paracord. I'll put it in here, set the back set, and I'm gonna get ready and we'll get set up to begin this. So tag along if you want to see how I do it. Not saying it's right, not saying it's wrong, but it's what I've been shown and explained to on how to do it. So tag along. All right, I'm just gonna put it under my little paracord. Just like so. I've got it all sanded. That's why I'm doing the paracord. I don't want to put a C-clamp on it. Plus I've got the knock tip overlays in. This I've got set from center to 64-inch slim tip. I've got it set to a 3.5-inch back set. You lose some of it, so as long as I can maybe hope to obtain 1.5 to 2 inches, I'd be happy. So there it is. So I'm going to end up backing this with rawhide, and I might put a rattlesnake skin on it, I'm not sure. And then after that comes in, the crack it actually started down here towards the limb tip. I've got my artificial sinew on the way, so I'll end up wrapping that spot with artificial sinew. My buddy Tony has told me that he's pretty much fixed bows that's almost broken half with artificial sinew, and he's a super knowledgeable guy, so I trust him. So here we go. It's in the form. I'll get my canola oil and the heat gun set up. We'll begin. All right, nothing special. Just I got a little foam brush, but I'm doing it now. That way the oil has time to maybe dissipate for the gluing process for when the rawhide strips arrive. So because this does soak through a good ways. I mean, the first time I fire hardened it or heat treated it, it penetrated. Probably mainly because of the runs off to the side, but it did get on the back. So I'm just gonna I try to keep it on strictly the back. And I must say, when you actually build something and you can fling arrows through it and the plan comes together, it is a really amazing feeling. Do both limbs, get this soaked in, let it penetrate. Nothing special, just normal canola oil. Give that some time to set up. And we'll start pouring the heat to it. Okay, it's set up probably 3 or 4 minutes. So the heat gun I got, it's a Wagner. I got it from the local do-it center. It's got 2 settings. Don't know the temperatures. I go full blast because you can control heat input by distance away from your belly. So here we go. And with anything, it's like if you're welding, you know, you don't want to hold all your heat in one spot. You want to constantly move. So it's gonna take some time. Try to control the runs. I'm probably gonna put the video in time lapse. So this is basically all I'm gonna do. Go through here and get a nice gold, semi-black, scorched color. So stay tuned. This takes a while. All right, finished up the heat treating with the heat gun. You can see I chose to just like give it a golden, slight scorched look. Just want to make sure that that heat was penetrating real well. So my boy Whiskey back here begging to go for a walk. So we're gonna go for a walk. Probably leave this cool for a few hours, hour, maybe overnight. I don't know. It's really beautiful and weather's supposed to be good all year, so I might just put it in the building until tomorrow. Can't get in a hurry until I can get the minor crack fixed up with the artificial sinew when it comes, and the rawhide. All right, it's been I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours. Let's find out how well and how much it took. And we done pretty well. Hopefully you can see that. You can see the black collar to it. One thing it does do, it raises fibers. So just back over here. Take him off. And there we have it. There's some back set. I don't know how much. Let's find out how much we got. Two and an eighth to center of the handle. So I'll take that. That's pretty good. Well, anyhow, that I'm gonna wrap up this video. Just leave it as the heat treating video of the belly side of a hickory board bow. Next, I do have, like I said before, I do have a crack that has started. So when all my when the rawhide shows up and the artificial sinew, I'll make another video on how I'm going to fix that, and we'll go from there. But if you like this stuff, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. Helps me out, helps me grow, and as I always say, it's free, it doesn't cost a thing. Anyway, God bless, hope all is well. Stick around, maybe I can teach you something. Till the next video, God bless. Y'all take care.